Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. If you want to transfer your Bitcoin that you have available in your Kraken account and you want to transfer to another Bitcoin wallet or cryptocurrency wallet like Binance, Coinbase or others cryptocurrency wallets. For this, you just need to click on transfer at the left side navigation bar. Click on it, and from here you'll find deposit and withdrawal option. Click on withdrawal and you will find some options like which currency that you want to transfer to another wallet. You just need to select the currency that you have available on your Kraken account. Then you must need to choose the currency address and the as the currency navigation to avoid any type of lose of your current currency. Then you have to enter the wallet currency or account number. You can find all the details in the receiver wallet, where you will find, if you want to transfer Bitcoin, then you just need to select the Bitcoin in that wallet and you will find the Bitcoin address. Then you have to correctly copy the address and paste it here, and that Bitcoin will navigate to your that what address that you have on your another cryptocurrency wallet. Then confirm your transfer, and then you can transfer a certain amount of cryptocurrency that Kraken allows you to transfer to another wallet. That's how you can transfer cryptocurrency or Bitcoin from Kraken to other wallet easily. Hope you got this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.